We're talking everything smart contracts today. I've got two projects for you that are blowing me away. But guys, first, before we get in, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only, so let's get straight in. So the first one we're talking about is Ocean Protocol. Now guys, a quick overview of what exactly the website is looking like. Okay, you've got your learn up at the top where you can go through your data, NFTs, data tokens, marketplace, computer data, data science, roadmap, Ocean Academy. You got your community as well, your get funding side, the build, and the others where you can actually get on there and have a look at the Ocean token, the collaborations, about, press, identity, okay? Now, it's the next generation tools to unlocking data at a large scale. If you've not heard of Ocean Protocol already, okay, we're missing out because it is by far the leading innovative company inside of the smart contracts. Okay, now what I want to say is I'm going to take you through some of the parts today that I'm very interested in through 2023. The most important upgrades, the most important parts, okay? The things that are actually coming to light of what they've said they're going to do and is actually happening, and why Ocean Protocol is becoming one of the biggest giants. So with the data NFTs tokens, that's new on the website, okay? Is what I want to talk to you about today. It's making it easy to publish data services, okay? Deploying the ERC721 data NFTs and ERC20 data tokens to consume the data services, and crypto wallets and exchanges and DAOs becoming data wallets, exchange and DAOs. Now, the data NFTs and data tokens are the interface connected data assets with blockchain and DeFi tools. Crypto wallets become data wallets. Crypto exchanges become data marketplaces, and DAOs for data co-ops and more for DeFi compatibility. It's data Legos. You can see it here in this diagram, okay? The data itself does not have to be on-chain just to access the control. So Ocean-based apps make data assets on ramps and off ramps easy for end of users. Ocean smart contracts and libraries make this easy for developers. Okay, you can see the ramps on the side here where you create your NFTs and data tokens, and this is where you consume data tokens. Everything else happens in between. Now let's have a look at the computer data side. Okay, this is where you're buying and selling private data while preserving your privacy. So computer data resolves the trade-off between the benefits using private data and the risk of exposing it. It's, let's say, data or say on the premises, yet allows third parties to run specific compute jobs on it to get the useful compute results like averaging or building an AI model. You can see how that looks here. So the most valuable data is private data. Using it can actually improve research and business outcomes, but concerns over privacy and control make it hard to access. With compute to data, private data is directly shared, but rather specific access to it, which is granted. It can actually be used for data sharing in science and technology context, or in a marketplace for selling private data while preserving privacy as an opportunity for companies to monetize their data assets. Private data can help research, leading to life-altering innovations in science and technology. For example, more data improves the predictive accuracy of modern artificial intelligence. Private data is often considered most valuable data because it's so hard to get, and using it can lead to potentially big payoffs. Guys, that's what you want to be doing, all right? You want to be getting inside of projects like Ocean that are actually helping with real crypto world problems, with real smart contract problems, with real things that need addressing. That's why we're in this bullish vision right now, I would say, okay? But we need people like Ocean Protocol to actually help us lead the way to making this fully accessible for the world. Now, talking about the Ocean token, the utility token is used to stake on data for curation and buy and sell data. Its supply is dispersed over time to drive near-term growth for the long-term sustainability. Now, Ocean is designed to increase with the rise in usage volume. You can see here it's ERC20, 1.41 billion, okay, total supply, circulation supply of 4340.2. Please screenshot this contract address. If this is not the address you're using to buy, it's not real, so please go to the link down below and use trusted links. Okay, guys, and you can see how we're looking. You can view it on Masari, where the price is at 0.499, it's up 7.84% today. And have a look at the charts. Go through the all-time highs, where we've been, where we've gone. Okay, you can see when crypto was rising, everything was, but we are on the run back up, guys. So we're moving very nicely. Now, I want to quickly go over their Ocean Academy before I show you their Twitter, okay? There's a 101 is a community innovator providing a simple and practical introduction to Ocean Protocol, starting from zero for absolute free. The available courses on their Ocean 101, which is a 23 module introduction and gives an official complete certificate writable on the blockchain NFT. Intro to Data DeFi, a 6 module overview of decentralized finance with token data assets. A Compute to Data, the first introduction course to use Compute to Data on Ocean Protocol. Okay, you can see it's got the hours to complete in the chapters. Really, really cool, guys. You can join as an ambassador if you want. Okay, the prerequisites to become an ambassador is to work for the core of the Ocean Protocol ecosystem to make the vision of the open and fair data economy true, and you can earn with their referral program. Guys, this is an easy way to make a passive income. So guys, please do your own research and have a little look at the Ocean Academy as well. But let's jump to their Twitter. Now, their Twitter is at Ocean Protocol. Simple as that. If it's not that one, it's not the real one. Give them a big follow, okay? And you can see they have their challenges posted and stuff like that in here all the time. They give you a summary of what's going on in the week. Just like here, 3.146 million. V-Ocean is locked for a new all-time high. Okay, guys, please do me a favor and only use trusted links. People are going on to the wrong Twitters and things like that, but let them know you're from this channel. Get on there and let them. Now, to finish off this video, I need to tell you about another project as well, is 1inch Fusion, okay? A new DEX standard, safe, efficient, zero gas fees. Fusion Upgrade is an upgrade centered majority around the 1inch swap engine. It allows users to either pay less or absolutely zero network fees, depending on how urgent the user for the swap execution is. Guys, I'm so excited for this, okay? I'm super excited because this project has been on my radar for a long time, but now with the Fusion upgrade, it's going to be incredible, okay? So initially, Fusion mode is actually going to be activated on Ethereum, Polygon, and BNB, gradually be activated on networks with 1inch available. So all the market liquidity is in one place, and the 1inch swap engine is there as well, okay, maximizing that trade efficiency. Now, the one thing I want to say about this, okay, the free presets that could be manually chosen by the user is fast, fair, and auction. All right, please do your own research into this, but this is why we are loving the Fusion upgrade. Guys, I can't spend any more time on this because the video is going to end, but what I would do is type that in, hit that link down below, and please do your research because this is going to blow up. Guys, thank you so much for staying involved with us and supporting us over the years. Please do me a favor right now, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified, leave me a comment if you liked it, and I'll see you on the next video.